Someone's going to get a really nice Norton Commando here.
Welcome to the video on my 1968 Norton Commando. Fully rebuilt. You'll see more details shortly. Let's get for a test ride, hey? First, a quick walk around the bike. I hope you enjoy what is one of the rarest Commandos going. One of the first 70 Norton Commandos ever made.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Saving classic motorcycles here. I'm out on the 1968 Norton Commando 750. She's rebuilt. She's running like an absolute dream. £4,600 spent, £750 of that is engineering. The rest of that was brand new parts. Norman White, the legend, did the frame. Seeger Engineering did the headwork, and yeah, she's actually one of the first 70 Norton Commandos ever made. Running her in, so 4,500 is maximum revs. Just as you're coming onto the icy elastics, and she smooths out beautifully. Really nice. Yeah, it's a lovely bike to ride, really is. Extremely smooth for a 1960s bike. It's what you want. It's running nice, the fueling's good. Ignition timing checked dynamically, it's perfect. It's running electronic ignition, premier carburetors, brand new pistons, brand new oil filter, brand new oil pump, the works. Yeah, pretty good. See how she's idling now after having a little bit of a zip. Look at that. Pretty bang on, everyone. Just check everything over now, check everything's tight. Got some spanners with me, Dad's with me in the car. Running beautiful. Wow everyone, this is nice. Running like an absolute dream. Obviously there's a lot more revs to go, but you can't use them because she's running in. Wow everyone. Yeah, it's a bit of a gut wrencher selling this, but such is life. And someone's going to get a really nice Norton Commando here. Oh, it's not far off being able to show it. I mean, the paintwork's good enough for riding, which is what my intention was. Obviously you could respray that and enter into some shows. The rest of the bike's good enough. It don't cost a lot to get a solid green paint done. But yeah, fully nice. Yeah, ticking over nice, no leaks, good. There you go. Yeah. First kick. Alright, do you want to get the car? Okay. Completely left up. £4,600 I spent in total. I've bought her for 8,500 and selling her for 7 grand, so yeah, someone's gonna get a bargain. As I say, she's running so nice. It's just, you know, so smooth when it comes on them icy elastics. Obviously you can't use all the rev range yet. You can't use all the rev range because she's running in. 4,500 you can go to, and yeah, I'm gonna miss it, everyone. So yeah, she's one of the first 70 Norton Commandos ever made. Frame done by Norman White, head by Seeger Engineering, engine by me. It's all done right, no expense spared. New oil pumps, pistons, rings, shells, little ends, what else? Gaskets, new shocks, tanks, metal tanks, you've not got a problem with it leaking. Basically done everything, anything and everything that needed doing is what she's had done. So yeah, if you fancy her, drop me a message, I'll send you details. You can get me on Instagram, and hope you all enjoy. So what is possibly the last ride on the Norton Commando, saving classic motorcycles, signing out.